Hello and welcome to another video, brought to you by your favorite gardening channel, You Plant Tube. So in this video we will be using last year's seed pods. For this autumn, hopefully we can start the germination progress for some nice radishes. Keep watching to see how successful they turned out. Fill the trays with some good potting soil. Tap down the soil lightly to eliminate some of the air pockets that might exist. Now use a small pencil to make small holes in the soil where you will insert the seeds as shown in the video. Once you have collected your seeds from the seed pods, insert one seed in every hole you have made. Once you have finished sowing the seeds, then of course water the soil. Several days later and you can see the difference. At this stage we need to transplant the seedlings to a larger pot. Here I'm using a pencil to push the soil upwards, which makes extracting the seedling easier. I have purposely filled the pot less than halfway. This is because, as shown in the video, the seedling needs extra support. Support is supplied by the extra soil that I will be adding shortly. This is how you can successfully transplant radishes. I will show you one more and then we will move along. One of the crucial things you should always do when planting seeds is to always follow the instructions on the seed package. Knowing when to plant your seeds is key to success.